According to China EV Post, Tesla sold 73,490 vehicles in China this November, marking its highest monthly sales this year. This represents a 12% increase from November last year and an 81% jump from October. Tesla's Shanghai factory, which produces the Model 3 and Model Y, saw exports drop significantly to 5,366 units, the lowest since June 2022. Tesla's overall sales in China, including exports, reached 78,856 vehicles in November. The Model Y accounted for 46,595 units, or 59% of sales, while the Model 3 contributed 32,261 units, or 41%. Model 3 sales rose 34% from last year, while Model Y sales fell 20%. For the year through November, Tesla's retail sales in China totaled 574,175 vehicles, an 8.8% increase year-over-year. However, combined with exports, wholesale sales dropped 3.6% to 822,894 units. Tesla captured 5.8% of China's new energy vehicle market in November, up from 3.4% in October but down from 7.8% a year ago. In the battery EV market, Tesla held a 9.7% share, a rise from October's 6% but lower than last year's 11.9%. You are listening to Yuan News.